Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default audience settings on Facebook. So if you want to control who sees your posts, photos, or updates on your account, you can adjust your default audience settings pretty easily. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and then select the profile icon at the top right, where if you hover over it should say account. Go ahead and left click on that and then select settings and privacy. Underneath settings and privacy, select the settings button. On the left side, underneath tools and resources, you want to select where it says default audience settings. And now at this point, you can change your custom settings. So if you want to have everything public, you can just select the public option. If you want to have friends only see certain items from your Facebook profile, you can select that. You can also select custom, which is your current setting, which is my current setting. You can make additional modifications a little bit more specific. So for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and select custom, and then I'm going to select next here. So at this point, you can adjust basically all the custom settings here. So who can see your future post. Right now, we currently have it set to friends. If you click on the drop down or if you click on the box here, you can adjust it to it being anything from public to friends, and you can set certain exceptions for certain friends. So you could do friends except. Click on that option there. You can go ahead and search your friend list if you want to have certain friends excluded from seeing your future post. Or on the opposite side, you can also show posts to only certain people when you select that option. So basically, it's just a whitelist in there. And you can also have posts be shared only with yourself. And that's pretty much it. And again, you can do that for basically all of these options in here. So a lot to go through. And then once you're done, you would select done. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.